What's up, guys? Today we're gonna see how many dogs we can pet at Salisbury State Beach in Massachusetts. All right. Hi, Minnie.
Oh, I love corgis.
Hey, Brady. Oh my goodness. You go chew on my walkie-talkie. Charlie.
Oh, hi, Chase.
Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie.
Oh, I love you. This is why
Hi,
I want
Chase.
one because you're so sweet.
Hey, Charlie.
Do you know
And Chase.
has these?
No.
Oh, how did you know about them?
Number 9 and 10.
I miss you.
Hi, Luna. Hi, Luna. Hello. Hello. You're so cute.
No, he's like
Hi, Pete. Hi, Gracie. Gracie, come on. Hey, Gracie.
no pine cones. No pine cones.
No pine cones. No pine cones, Pete. What's your name?
Layla.
Layla. Hi, Layla.
Yep, that was my kids.
I drew them.
Hi, buddy. Hi, Charlie. Hi. You got this a really cute one right here. Hello, hello. Got Huckleberry. What's up, Huckleberry? You got the little boy. The little boy. Hi, Roxy.
Oh yeah?
And we have
Hi, Johnny. Hey, buddy.
Hey, sit.
Hi, Teddy. Bye, Kaylee. Hi, Jethro. Hello, baby. Hello. Hi, Jugger.
probably because
Hi, Jugger. Hi, Jethro. Hi, Jugger. Hello. Hello. Look. Just.
This one is adjusting.
Hi.
He wants to play.
Is he a pug?
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh. You have a dog?
Yeah, I have a French bulldog.
Oh. Yeah, too much energy in them.
Yeah. Thank you.